get straight into it. This is Nadula Hair Company. This is everything that came inside the pack, which is the wig caps. It came with a bag, a headscarf, and eyelashes. It did come with a little makeup brush and an elastic band to hold the hair down, and also this bonnet that I am wearing. This is their water wave. It is a 430, which is like a brown highlighted wig. This is how the curls look. I was just combing it through because I did bleach the wefts, as you can see right here. So I bleached the knots. I did not have to. It did come pre-plugged and the color was fine. This is a 13x4 and a 24-inch wig, and this is how everything looks on the inside. I did take the combs out. I'm just combing it through because it is curly hair and sometimes it could shed a bit, but this one did not have much shedding. So we're going in with the lace tint. This is how it came out. This is the color that I like my skin tone caps to be. First, I am going to cut off the end tabs just so it can fit my head a little bit better. I do want it to stay on more than a day. I'm going out with the lace glue. I'm only going to put one layer because I feel like that's all I need for this kind of style. I don't like adding too much to my edges because they are sensitive. So we're just going to stick it on. And now I'm pressing the comb up against the lace just to stick and make the lace glue get a little bit more tacky. Drying, I'm just combing it through, and now that the lace is dry, I let it dry for about 30 minutes, and now I am back. I'm just combing the edges back to make sure the hair didn't get stuck to the lace at all. And now we're just going to cut the lace off. I do it kind of a quick way because I do want more baby hairs, so that means I need a little bit more lace out. And that right there, I will definitely spray down because sometimes it does lift if you don't use more than one layer. So I'm just going along the baby hairs, just plucking along, just give it a natural look. I did not need to do this, but because I want fuller baby hairs, then that's required. I'm going in with a little bit more of the lace front spray just to give it a more slick look. I am keeping this hair on for about 3 or 4 days. So yes, you'll definitely want to put a little bit more spray. I like to go in the front of my hair with a hot comb just to give it a little bit more of a slick look in the front. To go ahead and go with the side part, but now I am spraying the hair because it is a water wave. I want that pattern back, so I'm going to put a little bit of water and some moisture on the hair. I will be putting some Curl cream just to give it its curl back, and I'm being generous with the water because I do want it to be a wet look. Now that the hair is looking good, it's time for the baby hairs. Because I want them a little bit more dramatic, I'm putting more hair out. But what I like to do first is curl the tips of the baby hairs and straighten the roots, because it does give it a better look, and a little swish or a little curl on the tip makes it look so good. Yeah, so let's get into it. I am going to separate the baby hairs from how I would like it, but I do need to trim it a little bit because it is long. Baby hairs are looking good, so I like to put a little bit of the Lotta Body Mousse, or a lot of bit of the Lotta Body Mousse, just to slick the hair back and have it stick where it's not stiff. Now I'm just perfecting the side part so it's a better look overall. Just adding a little bit more water because this seemed to get a little bit frizzy, but I really hope you enjoyed the video. Very quick and easy. Thank you for watching.